Hello, beautiful people. I'm in my backyard, connecting to Mother Earth, to this sacred land, as I always talk about how important it is to embrace the beauty and the life that is already here, wherever that is for you. It is an honor and a privilege for us to be walking on Mother Earth. Wherever you live, wherever you travel to, it is so important to connect and to ask for permission to be in a particular space in the sacred land of Mother Earth. This tree has called out to me for a while now, wanting to talk and share its wisdom. And so I'm here now to connect, to share the message, the wisdom that this tree so beautifully wants to share with us all. So let us ground with Mother Earth, feeling her vibration as it travels through our feet, up our legs, and our body. And as we continue to allow this energy up through our head and our arms, as we connect to the divine source, the Creator, Spirit, and bringing this energy down through our physical body, our head, our arms, our chest, all the way down through our legs, back into Mother Earth, bringing this energy up again to our heart, bringing the vibration of Mother Earth to our heart, and to the source, the Creator, Spirit, into our heart, as one, so we can stay grounded and connected to the source of all that is. In honor and gratitude, allowing this beautiful, beautiful tree to speak its truth and its wisdom to us all. Allowing your heart to be open to receive the message. Hello. Thank you for connecting with me at this time. I'm a very old tree. I am a keeper of the land, so to speak. There is a web of trees, of earth angels, and we weave our energies together to create an energetic protection on and in this land. We want to honor all those that go before us at this time, all those that are listening. Listen to the wisdom and the vibration of the land, of the trees, of nature, all of Mother Earth, the birds. We are all very ancient, and we have been around for a very long time. Many think of us as giving them shade, and that we do. But due to how old we are, and why we have come here, we chose to be the keepers of the land. We chose to come to this planet to offer sacredness, to offer life. We have a very intense vibration many are not aware of. But this vibration allows us to bring healing to Mother Earth, offer housing to the birds, to the animals, to the squirrels, or wherever you inhabit on this planet. We offer shade. We offer nutrients. We weave our energies like a matrix amongst all the other trees to maintain the sacredness and the vibration. We protect Mother Earth. We have come here for that purpose and for other purposes. But we speak of this time where we need your assistance. We need all of you to understand that we are all connected and we all serve a purpose, and we must be the weavers of unity to weave the vibration and to participate in this network of high vibration. We need your assistance, all that are listening at this time. As you understand the changes that are going on, Mother Earth continues to ascend, to heal, but she's also very challenged by what some say are negative energies or darkness. And so we call upon all of you to do ceremony, to do healing on your land, calling upon the sacredness, calling upon your light and your love and your vibration, to connect with us so we can all be the weavers of unity as one. Please assist us in healing Mother Earth, to assist us in increasing the vibration, so that we all, as living beings, as humans, as nature, as animals, as birds, as trees and flowers, all come together in unity, as such as holding hands in a circle. We weave our energies throughout to bring about healing, wisdom, truth, raising the vibration of all of life and of a Mother Earth. So Mother Earth continues to ascend, as humanity will continue to ascend, as well as all life forms. You are not aware of all the life forms that exist on this planet. But as you continue to awaken, you continue to remember to awaken, connecting to what you see or you don't see, or what you know or what you don't know, to be open, to connect that all that there is in the intention of love and light, and being an intentional weaver of unity, together as one vibration, to raise our consciousness, to raise our vibration as we continue to ascend with Mother Earth in this sacred land. I thank you at this time for listening to this message. I thank you at this time for connecting. I thank you at this time for expanding your understanding and being a weaver of unity. My dear children, I thank you for being a part of this beautiful web that we weave of divine love and light. I thank you. I thank you.